Hi guys, it's Sweetie Pie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're a noob. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the red button right there. It would make me like so happy. You could watch my video and then you could subscribe. Yeah, that sounds good. Today we have sun. If you are a subscriber, you know that lately Canada has had no sun. And today, I don't actually have any shadows behind me. Oh, like there's a little one, but that's just because I didn't wait for the sun to come all the way over to my window. I'm getting a ring light very soon because the sun is not trusted. I cannot trust to have the sun, especially when I go back to work, which won't be, like, I'll probably be back to work by the time this video is going up, and then I'll have to do videos on the weekend again. I know. Hope for a long weekend soon. But yeah, guys, today we are going to talk about the Supernova shadows from ColourPop. I actually picked 3 of the 8 colors that they have, and I am going to show you like a little demo. I'll show you some swatches, and I'll actually show you how to use these properly. I think a lot of people are upset. And yeah, I want to show you guys how I have used these. Every single one of them has worked great for me. And I have the Mothership color, which is the green one. And then I have Moonlit. And I have UFO, which is, oh, actually, no, I think both of these 2 are from their, like, second launch, and this is from the first launch. So, yeah, guys, if you guys would like to see how to use these properly, how to get them to really shine on your lids, and, yeah, all that good stuff, then stay tuned. Let's get into that. Guys, so first, I just wanted to give you like a tiny bit of information. I'm gonna, like, hopefully I can get a picture of all 8 of the shades and just show them to you. They have 8 shades in the range right now. They are Mothership, UFO, Running in Orbit, Walking on Flames, Moonlit, Hard to Impress, Dragon, and Firecracker. I'm just reading off my like notes here. And they range from like mostly coppery, pinky shades. There is one green, which is the one I have, and just like a few extra shades. I think that the more coppery red ones are obviously a little bit easier to keep opaque, but I'm sure they'll bring out more shades as time goes on. They are $7 American, which makes them right around like the $9.75 for Canadians, which I am. And ColourPop says they are a water-infused super long wear. You can use them all over as a base. You can use them as a touch of glitter, which I would say like that would be more for some lighter colors that they bring out. These ones are a little bit more like, they're a little bit darker. And then they also said you can use them in extremely metallic foil. Now, the way that they tell you to use these is exactly the way you should use these. I don't think a lot of people go in and actually like look and see what the product says. I don't do that a lot of the time. And the first time I used these, of course, I went right in with Mothership. And Mothership is this really beautiful kind of, oh, it is absolutely gorgeous, and I will show you swatches of these in a minute. I just wanted to like kind of discuss them a little bit, but yeah, anyway, I went right into Mothership and I tried to put it all over my lid, and it wasn't opaque. It kind of slid around a little bit. It did like dry down very well, and I was able to put like another coat on, and it didn't flake for me or anything. It didn't look like as opaque as like the Glitter and Glow eyeshadows or even the Shimmer and Glow eyeshadows. So anyway, what it says on the website is that you need to use a base for like a lot of opacity. Now, they don't technically say to use a glitter base, but I found that using a glitter base just makes these above and beyond beautiful. I have a little clip where I did use a glitter base, the Too Faced glitter base, but you can use the NYX one. I'm sure there's lots of other brands out there that have glitter bases. Any glitter base, anything that's going to be really sticky on your lid, and they just, oh, they look so pretty. All right, another like little tidbit of information is they are 4.7 grams or 0.17 ounces. And I'm going to put right down here what the shimmering glows are and the glittering glows just to compare. And they launched on 12/13. They launched like 4 shades, I think, and then they came out with the other 4 like a week later. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, guys. So yeah, let's go into the swatches of these 3. I'm going to do swatches just on their own, and then I'm just gonna like tap them out a little bit, and then I'm going to do swatches over a glitter base so I can show you guys, you know, what I'm talking about. All right, let's get into those swatches. Guys, so yeah, as you can see, when you put the glitter base down, it creates a barrier there so that it can really cling, and I don't have to do that with the glitter and glows, but it's a new product. It didn't really claim to be exactly like them, and I think that with a glitter glue, you're set to go. Like, honestly, you're going to be able to get as much opacity as you want. I have not tried them as a base yet. They are so pretty that I didn't feel like putting a base over top of them was important. So I'm gonna try doing that though, and I will put down in the description what it was like. And then yeah, I'm just gonna go right into the look I did with these. I used the YAYYYY when I did this look, and I also used the All I See Is Magic. So I'm literally going to pull a fast one on you. I am going to pull the footage out of the All I See Is Magic palette. It's the review that I'm doing on this palette, and I did a look for it. I'm gonna just pull the footage out of there so that you guys can see how this applied with a glitter glue. All right, guys, so let's go into that, and then yeah, we'll just talk about how that worked out. But I really wanted to show you guys because this is my favorite little gift she got me. It was just so creative and effective. She came up with it, but I'm very like somewhere. I don't know. I didn't picture him getting a necklace like this. But it's so cute because it is the infinity sign, which if you guys don't know, Danny and I both have the same tattoo on our neck. We both got these matching infinities tattoos when we first got married. So it was sort of a hologram, our symbol. And this necklace is so cute. It has the infinity sign with our names in it. So I have my name and Bachman in at the bottom. And I opened the box, I almost cried. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so creative. I love it. It's so awesome. It represents us so well. So it's my favorite little gift I got on Christmas. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get the rest of the socks out of the way. I have 4 pairs to show you. Well, one of them comes in a pack, and those are my Space Jam socks. And they guys, that was a really awesome look. Like, I took so many pictures. I did so many little Instagram like tutorials and like lipstick tutorials. I did buy some lipsticks that if you check on my Instagram, I'm gonna do a post about it, and they'll probably be in a disappointing products or like a fails products. They weren't really fails, I just think they weren't really well advertised. But yeah, anyway, if you guys go to my Instagram, the link will be down below. You guys can see that. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do like these. I think that with a glitter glue, you should be perfectly fine. And yeah, I think that the price for Canadians is a little bit high. It's almost $10 for one of these, but the Glitter and Glows, if you're looking, well, I'd say these are more like the Shimmer and Glows with a little bit of glitter, like UFO doesn't really have any glitter, but Mothership does, and so does Moonlit. So it all depends on which one you get that's going to contain glitter. But anyway, they are a lot cheaper than those. Those are $30 in Canadian. So weigh your options, see what the colors are like, and see what you guys want to purchase. I liked this purchase. I think that there's a learning curve when you first get them. If you're thinking they're like the Shimmer and Glows, they need a base down. They need a base. Unless you're looking for something really sheer, but I'm not into that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, like this video and comment down below. Have you guys purchased these? Did you have the same problem with them? Have I helped you out a little bit? Just comment down below and tell me what you guys think. All right, see you later, guys. Mwah.